different video today, just doing this mobily, so no camera and all that, but thanks for bearing with. If you're first time hitting this video and you don't know who I am, my name is Michael Nauss. I'm a chartered market technician and quantitative trader. Every Wednesday on this channel, we break down the markets. I go over the kind of the most important charts that I see. If you want more of this content, it's something I do for Stats Edge Trading Pro, which link is in the description below, where I break down even more charts every single day, fully annotate it, and upload it to a blog. And we have our trading room and a live Q&A, and you have access to all my scans and that kind of thing. Also, in the description below or in my bio is access to all of the tools that you'll see me use as well. So let's just get into it with what's going on this week. First, we have Bitcoin US dollars. I have some notes here with some yawning faces. Essentially because this 30,000, I think, is everything on Bitcoin. We have these bottoming tails right in through here. Full disclosure, I am still short a little Bitcoin. I took some out of this bear flag that we were talking about. Just hanging out at this level. So I just need to see what happens next. Either we're going to trade down to this wick down here, or we're going to bounce up into kind of new highs into this area here. Either way, while it is where it is, nothing really I can do. And then also looking at most of crypto looks pretty much the same. When that kind of crash happened with Luna and everything, it kind of brought everything down. So, the crypto is kind of in limbo until it shows us what its next move is going to be. From the Forex trading side of things, the only thing I'm really looking at is this Aussie yen. We had a nice bull flag in Aussie yen way back here. We profited greatly off of that. And we see the same kind of thing occurring here. If this thing resolves higher, I think you could take a long here. Obviously not investment advice, but I would, and my stop is going to be kind of in the 89 area. Into the equity markets here on the SPY, we are still watching this anchored VWAP from the COVID low. That's been acting as support in here a lot. Little bounce off that today, but we're still in this overall congested area. So the note I have for the pro members is, the longer when a price comes to an area that you think is support, if you're going to expect a bounce, you want that bounce to happen pretty quickly. The more we chop around sideways, the less bullish I am on that here. But positive action today. We need to see if this is going to continue into tomorrow, because I just think we need to leave this area pretty quickly if we're going to be sustained bullish. From kind of looking in the inside of the market, XLU talked about this breakout in the pro service here on Monday. Tuesday was a great day. Wednesday was a little bit of an inside day, but the fact that we broke back out of this area makes me think that we may want to test all-time highs there. USO, when it comes to oil, very typical bull flag. I'm watching to see if we're going to break out of the top here. From individual names that I'm watching, one is PRTS. This one has a pretty substantial short float. Looking to see if we can get over this anchored VWAP from this recent high. If we can pop in there, that's where I'll be interested in it, and wrong if we break under this area. UNM, nice kind of bull flag going on. We gapped up on earnings, and we just chopped around sideways here, looking to see if this one can get over 35, and then my stop is under the gap there. GDYN actually just retook the anchored VWAP from all-time highs. For me, I more like the fact that we gapped up on earnings, chop sideways here, so if we get a continuation from here, that's going to confirm whatever they said on earnings, and my stop is right under this swing low. So, thanks for bearing with probably the lesser sound quality and no video, but we should be back in action next week. Again, check out the links in the description below and trade safe out there.